Jumping the wrong terminals can cause immediate shorts and permanent damage to equipment. When working on terminal blocks or wiring panels, always cross-check the schematic and the actual terminal labels before making any connections. Use a directly comparable wiring diagram and trace each conductor with a continuity tester so you can confirm where each wire terminates. Keep a consistent color code and label both ends of every jumper with clear tape and a written identifier so you avoid swapping similar conductors under dim light. When you need to bridge separated circuits, route jumpers through a protective conduit or use insulated terminal jumpers to prevent accidental contact with adjacent lugs. If a terminal is marked as common, capacitor, or regulator, treat those differently and consult the component datasheet rather than assuming they are interchangeable. Finally, if the system is live and cannot be de-energized, use insulated tools, maintain a safe distance, and verify that you are working with the correct voltage class rated protective equipment. A frequent mistake is assuming terminal markings are consistent with other panels, which leads to wrong connections. Verify each cabinet independently and mark discrepancies on the schematic so you do not repeat the error. Another common issue is using an uninsulated or too short jumper that contacts neighboring terminals and creates a short. Always use the correct length and insulation rating and bend jumpers so they do not cross other lugs. A third problem is connecting a regulator or capacitor terminal directly to a resistor or common without confirming circuit function and polarity. If you are unsure, power down, isolate the component, and test continuity and polarity before making the jumper. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project examples related to electrical and wiring work so they can make informed hiring decisions. We also connect contractors with potential clients and host a discussion community where users and pros share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common job site problems together.